What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. All right, guys, we're breaking down Ethereum, or ETH, the cryptocurrency. You guys usually don't break down stocks or currencies over the weekend, but I think I'm going to be just doing only crypto on the weekend since they are open 24/7 to put you guys at an advantage for the week. If you guys want me to break down some stocks for Monday or throughout the week, just drop them in the comment box below and I will break them down. But show some love and hit that like and subscribe button so you can be updated and have an advantage over the market for my videos. And other than that, let's go ahead and dive in. So we're going to start from a higher time frame. Right now we're on the 1 hour. We want to go on the daily. So what this does is it allows us to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in to further predict our analysis. So let's go ahead and zoom into where we're at right now. All right. So this was the previous channel that we were in. Just to kind of give you an example on what these lines represent. This bottom line used to be our major support line. And if we look left, like Beyonce says, we're going to back test and see how strong this level was. And we can see that we had these two candlesticks. When it pulled back, it bounced up, created a higher low. You come back over here. We had this other candlestick. When it ultimately broke out, came up, hit our major resistance up here on the opposite side. So whatever on the support is, on the opposite side is going to be resistance as long as it's been tested. We can see about 9 or 10 candlesticks either getting bouncing or rejected on this level. So we can consider this a strong level. And so if you need more prior information, you could always backtest and basically go back further in time to find these levels, but we have everything we need right in this general area, so we don't need to do that. And then obviously this one above here was our major resistance line. We can see that when it came up, it hit this area, got rejected back down to our major support line, created a higher low, another higher low, back up into our resistance area, gapped up, consolidated. Basically it was just testing our support. In all reality, it did pull up a little bit and then back down onto our support level. So that's exactly what you want to see. That would have been a perfect entry to get into. It was basically a double retest and bounced off this level. Then kind of created a new higher low over here. And then now we eventually rocketed up to the $2,500 level. And the reason why it pumped up so hard is if we look to our left, guys, this is all void. This is all untouched territory for Ethereum, so it never hit these all-time highs. So there's nothing in the previous time frame to work as resistance in this area, so it's freely to move as much as it wants. But as of right now, we can see that, you know, today we're down 3%. We're starting to pull back, which is completely normal after running a marathon, after pumping and pumping as we were these past 2 days. This is perfectly normal, you guys. So I'm here to explain to you, is this a good buy to get in right now? Well, it depends on the type of trader you are. You have two options. If you're an aggressive trader, you could obviously get in right now. Since we are down about 3%, just have your stop loss or have a mental stop loss to basically tell yourself, when do you want to get out? For every trade or any stock that you're getting into, you need a trading plan, that being your entry, your first target, and then your stop loss, basically when you're going to get out if things do go sour. So like I said, if you're an aggressive trader, you could get in right now. This is a 50% retracement. However, we would like to see this pull back a little bit further just because of how much we pumped. So if you're going to run a marathon, you're not going to take a 15-minute break and then run another marathon, you guys. We want to see this to kind of take a break and cool off before pumping up again and breaking new highs. So like I said, if you're an aggressive trader, you could get it right now. Just have your stop loss, you know, below the $2,300 level. So if it does drop below that, you could get out. And then for the safer entry, like for myself, I would wait till we pull back onto this new support level that we created. And that being, I would say it'd be right about here, the 2,135 or 140 level. Once we can pull back down to this would be a great buy opportunity to get in. Have your stop loss below that level, and then your first target be back up here at our previous highest point at the $2,500 level. And that would be a great opportunity or a swing trade for you to get in. If you guys like these stocks that I break down really fast and simple, just to kind of give an idea what you are looking at, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to make this content for you guys daily and to help you guys have an advantage over the market, so you guys can kind of understand like what I'm breaking down and what is it that you're actually looking at. So like I said, don't have FOMO. The fear of missing out can hurt you guys. There's always opportunities in the market every single day. But personally, like I said, I would wait till we cool off a little bit more, back down into these lower levels, and then before getting in. So other than that, I hope you guys have a happy day and happy trading.